This 2017 Winnebago Spyder 28SC is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Duncansville, Pennsylvania, 16635 and is offered for sale by Ansley RV. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Winnebago is 34 feet 11 inches in length and features Sleeps 10, DVD player, external shower, auxiliary battery, spare tire kit, leveling jacks, TV, awning, refrigerator, air conditioning, skylight, and 100 gallons fresh water capacity. The unloaded weight of this 2017 Winnebago Spyder 28SC is 8,600 pounds. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.